Throughout the Willamette Valley, there are large rocks or boulders scattered around that are not native. And though you might think, what's the big deal? They're just rocks. They're actually evidence of a series of significant floods that happened in the Pacific Northwest thousands of years ago. The key is the age of the rocks. The bedrock in Oregon is relatively new in geologic terms, ranging usually from about 60 million years old to just 7 million years old. This boulder, for example, is 600 million years old, which chemically matches up to the bedrock found in the Canadian Rocky Mountains. Over 10,000 years ago during the Ice Age, thick glaciers carved chunks out of the Canadian Rockies. When the ice would melt, it would dam up in Montana. Eventually, the ice dams would fail over the weight of the melted ice, and a massive lake comparable to the size of one of the US Great Lakes flooded catastrophically down the Columbia River, taking the boulders with it. Water backed up and flooded the Willamette Valley, high enough that it would reach up to cover some of Portland's tallest buildings today. As the floods eventually receded out the Columbia River to the ocean, these boulders were left behind as glacial erratics. These massive floods also brought in some fine sediments perfect for growing that we see today in the valley, as well as other objects like the largest known meteorite in North America. If you want to know more about the journey the meteorite took, check out the full video on my channel.